A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Me a ponder something. And me a ponder it as a person of African heritage. Yes, my mother come from the Yoruba tribe. My father come from the Galoa tribe in a Gabon. So as a person of African heritage, me there ponder as me live in a Jamaica. What it really mean to be a slave and what it really mean to be free. I want to think about it with me. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Galatians, chapter 4, from verse 21 to verse 31. Tell me so. All I know, we want to follow the law and make it control you. You don't understand what the law has said. Because it right down say, Abraham did have two boy picnic. One of them mother, I did one slave, but the next one mother did free. The boy when mother slave born just like how any other baby born. And the mother get him, same like how other mother get baby. Nothing ever special about it. But the boy when mother did free, him did special. Him born, because God did promise Abraham, say him and Sarah would have one picnic. No, we can take what happened with Abraham, two boy, and use it for sure the two promise them where God make. The first promise have to do with the law where God gave Moses up on Mount Sinai. That promise here are like Hagar. Just like our fear picnic a slave. As same so the people them were part of that promise here, a slave too. So now, Hagar turn for Mount Sinai, where they in Arabia. She come in like Jerusalem in a them time, because same like how Hagar and her picnic are did slave. As same so the people them will live at Jerusalem, a slave to the law. But the other woman, she turned for the new Jerusalem we are go there in a heaven. She free, and as she our mother. So we free too. Because it right down in a God word say, woman we can't have baby. We no picnic. Uno fear sing praise. You will never feel baby pain yet. Jump up and sing and shout. Because the woman will not nobody shall go have more picnic than the woman will have husband. So brother and sister, seem like how Isaac born because of that God did promise Abraham. As same so we are God picnic because of that God did promise. Abraham boy picnic Ishmael did born like how any other picnic born. But Isaac did born sake of God spirit. As same like how Ishmael did cause Isaac to suffer. As same so we are God picnic as suffer now. But what God would say? It say, run the slave woman and her picnic, because fear picnic can never get where the father go left for the free woman and fear picnic. So brother and sister, We are not the slave woman picnic, but the free woman picnic. And God wrote this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.